Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number 2. Yes, day number 2, week 5, spring 2025 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. All right, so let's head up. Write this down for me, please. Write this down inside of your book. So my name is Mr. Petit. Today is Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025. The subject is, of course, mathematics. We're just going to be looking at past paper questions and past paper questions. So we're going to be looking at past paper questions. Let's begin. So you're gonna it says Cameron and Deja were asked to evaluate the following questions. So they have 63 plus 8 multiplied by 9. So 63 plus 8 multiplied by 9. So that's our first question.
This is the question we had.
Yes, it's the exact question, yes. So for questions like this, please remember PEMDAS. Okay, so PEMDAS. So PEMDAS. So for PEMDAS, the P stands for
Parentheses.
parentheses, very good. So the P stands for parentheses.
I got a different one.
Right. The E stands for what?
Exponents.
Exponents, very good. PEMDAS. So the M
multiply.
stands multiplication, very good. The D stands for
Divide.
Division.
division, very good. The A stands for
addition.
Addition, very good.
Subtraction.
And the S stands for subtraction, very good.
I got a different one learning that.
What's another one you have?
It's BOMDAS.
BOMDAS. Say it again.
BOMDAS.
BOMDAS. And what it stands for? The B is for brackets.
I think the next is operation.
No, it can't be operation.
I think it was the E.
BOMDAS. Maybe you say B-O? BODMAS? So the O would spell it?
BOMDAS.
BOMDAS?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the B is for the brackets, the M is for multiplication, the D is for division, A is for addition, S is for subtraction. That's another one. So,
I think O is for order.
I don't know. I don't know what O is for, but it has something to do with the exponents. So, all right. So what that means that we have to do the multiplication before we do the addition. So you cannot add before you multiply. You have to always multiply before you add. And so we have
that was a mistake I made.
Yeah. So you have 63 plus 8 times 9. You always multiply before you add. It's going to be equal to, we have 63, right? Plus, what is 8 times 9?
72.
72.
8 times 9 is 72. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So it's going to be equal to 63 plus 72 is what?
135.
So 63, let's add it. 63 plus 72. We have 3 plus 2 is what?
5.
5. Very good. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then we have 6 plus 7 is what?
13.
13. Very good. 13. And so the answer is what?
135.
135.
135. Very good. All right, go ahead. Trinity, do you understand how we got this? Trinity, do you understand how we got this?
No, sir.
Trinity, are you even paying attention? Because every time I ask you if you understand something, you tell me no. Are you paying attention?
Yes, sir.
There's no way you're paying attention. Because every time I do an example, oh, I don't understand, I don't understand. That don't make sense. You have to be paying attention, Trinity. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
You have to pay attention. All we literally did was we multiplied and we add. Nothing odd but that. So explain to me how I got 135.
You had 8 times 9.
Mm-hmm.
Then you add 8 times 9. And then add 63 plus 72.
Uh-huh. And that gave us what?
135.
Good. Where is Najara? Explain how we got 135.
Since we have to go in order, one of the first is multiply. So we multiplied 8 times 9, and our answer is 72. So we added 63 plus 72, and that gives us 135.
Very good. Where's Roscoe? Roscoe, please turn your camera. Gianna and Joel, turn your camera as well. Armani?
Yes, sir.
I can't see you. I only could see the ceiling. I keep on telling you that. So what you have to do is you have to fix the camera such that I could see you. I don't need to see a ceiling. Your camera is showing the ceiling. You have to press the button so it could turn and see you. I don't need to see the ceiling. Corrigan, explain how we got 135. I can't hear you. Your mic is muted.
9 times 8 is 72. So you after that you add 63. So after you add 63, it's 135.
Good. And Trinity, do we add before we multiply or do we multiply before we add?
Multiply before you add.
Good. Where's Roscoe? Roscoe, you need to turn the camera. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and
My internet is lagging.
yeah, turn the camera. So we have, let's do another one. Let me give you another one to do. Armani,
I see what I did wrong yesterday. I forgot to use PEMDAS.
where's Armani? Armani, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You can't be on your bed sleeping. You have to go to a table. Go to a table where you could actually put the rest of the thing down and it could be stable. Can't be in your room. What is this?
Excuse me, a cup of tea. I reach home.
Okay, that's good. You need to be at a table. Let's do another one. Number 2. So we have Rachel. and Warner were asked to
Excuse
evaluate.
me.
Go ahead.
Were we supposed to write the work in?
Yes, supposed to show the working, just like how I have it right now. So they were asked to evaluate. Let's do 7 times 6 plus 81. I need you all to answer number 2 and put.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Give me one moment. Don't interrupt me like that. Legacy. I need you to answer this inside the chat. Write this down in your book and answer inside the chat. Go ahead.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
If something says to evaluate, does that mean we have to use PEMDAS?
Yeah, I mean, you always, if they say evaluate, that just means work it out using arithmetic rules. In this case, we're going to be using rules of PEMDAS because we have multiplication and addition. All right. And so
Yes.
you always multiply before you add. So write this down. Write this down. And then put the answer inside the chat. So we have Rachel and Warner were asked to evaluate 81 plus 7 times 6. Rachel and Warner were asked to evaluate 81 plus 7 times 6.
I put my answer.
All right, thank you, Najara. Thank you, Najara, Legacy, Trinity. The rest of you need to put your answer inside the chat. Corrigan, I don't see your answer. Roscoe, I don't see your answer. What are y'all doing? Madeline, I don't see your answer. Well, I just see it, sorry. Amari, put your answer inside the chat.
I just put mine in, Mr. Petit.
Yeah, I see it. Armani, I still do not see your face. You need to put the camera so I can see you. I don't need to see the wall. I don't need to see the lighting. I don't need to see that. I need to see you. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So like I said, the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to what? We're going to
Multiply.
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 So it's gonna be what? 81 plus 1 plus 7
Times 6.
times 6. Very good. 81 plus 7 times 6. Armani, adjust the camera so I can see you. I do not see you. What does that mean? That means you either have to move over to the right or you need to adjust the camera so I can see you. I haven't seen your face yet. Fix the camera so I can see you. I don't need to see your hand. Armani. Where's Armani? Move over to the right hand side. Move your chair over to the right hand side. Move the chair over to the right hand side. Oh, great. I don't need to see the picture. Where's Armani? Where's Armani? Can you hear me, Armani?
Yes, sir.
I can't see you. You see how you see Najara? You can see her. You see Roscoe. You can see him. I cannot see you. I need your face in the screen. Okay, that's much better. I don't know what to you. Armani, what happened to you? Why did it take you so long just to adjust that thing? Don't let that happen again. You need to make sure that I could see you on the camera. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we have 7 times 6. What is 7 times 6? It's gonna be what?
42.
42.
42, very good. It's gonna be 42. And then 81 plus 42 is what?
123.
100 and?
123.
So it's gonna
23.
81. So we have to add 81 plus 42. And it's gonna be 2 plus 1 is what?
3.
3. 8 plus 4 is what?
3,
8 plus 4 is
12.
12.
12,
So the answer is gonna be what? 100 and
23.
123.
20. Does that make sense to you all? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
That's all.
It's a good question. I like this question. Let's do this one. By the way, take a picture of this and send. You all finished with writing this down before I move it?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Can I get the phone, please?
That's all.
Yes, you can. Go take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need to see what you have here. Again, take a picture of this and
Excuse
send it
me,
to me
Mr.
via
T.
WhatsApp.
Mr. Betty, I'm not finished writing.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it inside the chat for you. Go ahead.
Excuse me, Mr. T.
Go ahead.
Can I get my mom's phone, please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp, and then we're gonna move on to the next question. For those of you who are new to this class, like Armani and Corrigan, my number is 426-8891. Ask your mommy to use a phone to take a picture of your work. Let me resend this in the chat. Madeline, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Yes.
I just sent it.
Okay, good. Can say can be the rest of you need to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I sent mine.
All right. Thank you, Trinity. Thank you. Najaro.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes.
My mom is using the phone that I would usually use to send that I was gonna use to send the picture, so I have to send it later.
Roscoe, turn in your camera. Seth, turn in your camera. Sometimes I gotta tell you all the same thing. Turn on the camera.
Mr. Betty, I'm about to send in my work.
All right. Let's go ahead and do another question. Let me go ahead and take a picture of this before I move this. I'm gonna repost this in, did I repost in the chat already? I'm gonna post this again in the chat. All right, so let's go ahead and answer these questions. So the next one says, we have, it says Sean's father Sean's father left on a fishing trip. Sean's father left on a fishing trip at 1 p.m. on Saturday. The trip lasted for 1 day and a half. Question number 8. On which day did Sean's dad return home? B, at
Sorry,
what
Mr.
time?
Vati, for being late.
Okay, at what time did, write this down quickly. Roscoe, write this down quickly. At what time did Sean's dad? What time did Sean's dad return home? All right, so read this for me, Legacy. Read the question.
Missy. Excuse me.
1 second.
Sean's father left on a fishing trip at 1 p.m. Saturday. The trip lasted for 1 day. A. On which day did Sean's dad return home?
No. It didn't say the ship lasted for 1 day. Read it properly. Read it properly.
Sean's father left on a fishing trip at 1 p.m. on Saturday. The trip lasted for 1 day and a half. On which day did Sean's father return home? At what time did Sean's father return home?
Good. So we want to know which day his father returned home and what time did his father return home. How are we going to answer this? What are we going to do? Anyone? So let's go ahead and do this. So which day did the father leave? The father left on what?
Saturday.
On Saturday, right?
Saturday at 1 p.m.
Saturday at?
1 p.m.
1 p.m.
1 p.m.
Good. So that's what time he left. So it's gonna be Saturday at 1 p.m. 1 o'clock p.m. So how much is 1 day? How many hours is a day? How many hours?
24 hours.
24 hours, right? 24 hours is a day. So if we could break 24, we could break 24 into what?
2.
We could break it into 2 parts. So 24 is 12 plus 12, right? So it's 1 p.m., 1 o'clock p.m., right? So what do we know? We know that on Sunday at 1 p.m., that's what? So from Saturday 1 p.m. to Sunday 1 p.m., that is what? How many hours has passed?
1 day and a half.
No, that's only 24 hours.
1 day.
Just 1 day. 1 day. 1 day has happened. Just 1 day. All right. So this is very important because right now, what time is it? It is 5:01. Tomorrow, which is Wednesday, tomorrow at 5 o'clock, it would mark a whole day, right? So if the day is Saturday and it's 1 p.m. on Saturday, tomorrow at 1 p.m., that is a day, right? So 1 o'clock on Saturday to 1 o'clock on Sunday, that's 1 day, right? But it says that his time did not last for 1 day. It lasted for what? 1 day and a what? 1 day and a half. So what we have to do is we know that Saturday 1 p.m. and Sunday 1 p.m. that's 1 day. So we're not done. What we have to do? What do we have to do?
Oh, wait. Oh, never mind.
We have to add. We have to add
24.
what?
We have to divide 24.
30 more
by
minutes.
2.
Divide what?
24 by 2. So we can know what the half of it is.
Yeah, very good. So we're gonna divide 24 by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is what? 24 divided by 2 is
12.
what? 12. Very good. So that means that we have to add to 1 hour, to 1, oh, that's not gonna be right. To 1 p.m., what we have to add to 1 p.m.?
12 hours.
12 hours, very good. And what would that give us? Give us 13.
13 hours.
Give us 13. What this is what we could do. What you can do is we're gonna add. So let's go to Sunday. Let's go to Sunday. Midnight. So we're gonna add. Because if we try to add 12, that'll give us until the next day. So we're gonna add to reach the Sunday, Sunday at 12 midnight. It's 12 midnight, 12 a.m. How many hours is that? From 1 p.m. to 12. How many hours is that? That's gonna be what? So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9,
11
9 to
hours.
10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. That's 11 hours, yes. 11 hours. And we're not done because we need 1 more hour. So what does that mean? That means that if we add 1 more hour, that means it will be Sunday. Well, not Sunday no more. It'll be Monday because the day had changed. So it'll be Monday. It'll be Monday. Monday, 1 a.m. Okay. In fact, it would already change. It would change from, it'll be Monday at 12 a.m. Okay, so that means what time is start return? So start return.
1 in the morning on Monday.
Yeah, so his dad is dad return. We can say Sean's dad. Let's do that. Sean's dad. Put this in red. Sean's dad. Sean's dad returned home. At what time? At
1 a.m.
1 a.m.
1 a.m. on Monday.
1 a.m.
Very good. At 1 a.m. 1 a.m. All right. On Monday. But they already tell us what day. So we already know what day. So we're just gonna say at 1 a.m. All right. So quick recap. How do we do this? Well,
Just continue.
1 second. Let me explain it first. So first, quick recap. We know that his father left on the fishing trip at 1 p.m. But then he spent a day and a half. So 1 day from 1 p.m. is going to be 24 hours. So it's going to be from Saturday 1 p.m. to Sunday 1 p.m. That's 1 day. All right. And then, but it's at 1 p.m. So what that means we need to add 12 more hours. So we're going to say 11 hours. That gives us to Monday, 12 a.m. And then 1 more hour to make it 12. That'll give us Monday at 1 a.m. All right, because we added the next hour. All right, any questions on this? Let me know if you have any questions on this.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Why do you add the next hour?
We added the next hour because, remember, it says it's a day and a half, right? It's a day and a half. So we saw that half of a day has how many hours? 12 hours. So the first 11 and then the next one. That makes 12 hours. So that means that he was away for 24 hours. That's a day. Plus 12 hours. Right? So plus 12 hours. So that's a day and a half. So 12 hours right here is going to be half a day. So half a day. That's why we added 1 more hour. Does that make sense? So half a day.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you all understand how I got this answer or no? Let me
Yes,
know,
sir.
please, if you understand how I got this answer.
Yes, sir, I understand.
No,
Yes, sir.
Who
Yes,
said
sir.
no? Who said no?
I did.
Seth says no. Anyone else who said no, they don't understand how I got this answer?
I don't.
Anyone else who said no, they don't understand?
Brianna said she don't.
Armani, you understand how I got this answer?
Yes, sir.
You understand? Okay, and what his name is? What his name is? Wyatt, do you understand how I got my answer?
No, sir.
You said no. Wyatt, you
Yes,
said
sir.
no. You said no, you don't understand?
Brianna said she didn't understand.
Yeah, I heard you. You said no, Wyatt.
Yes, sir.
And Reagan, do you understand how I got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Najara, do you understand how I got this? Najara, do you understand how I got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm gonna let Najara explain how we got this so y'all could understand. Is anyone who do understand want to explain it after Najara?
I do.
Legacy, okay. Roscoe, you understand how I got this?
No, sir, because my internet was going in and out.
In and out, okay. All right, so go ahead, Najara, and explain how we got this.
It says his father left at 1 p.m. on Saturday, and the trip lasted for 1 day and a half. So if he left at that time, 24 hours is a day. So that's Sunday, 1 p.m. But then there's still a
And
half,
one
and that's
second, and
12
Gianna could tell me that she don't understand. But I have all the time in the world to giggle and laugh with Joel. Joel understands his work, you know. You're the one who don't understand. Why don't you pay attention, Gianna? Go ahead, Najara.
Since there's 24 hours in a day, but we still need a half. So there's 12 hours and half a day. So there's 11 hours from Monday to 12 a.m. and 1 hour for Monday, 1 a.m. So he returned home at 1 o'clock a.m. on Monday.
Very good. And who else wanted to explain again?
I did.
Go ahead.
So Sean's father left on a fishing trip at 1 a.m. on Saturday, and he left, and it lasted for 1 day and a half. So from Saturday 1 o'clock p.m., 24 hours would be the next day, which is Sunday, to 1 o'clock, and then we have to add the 12 hours, which is half of the day. So we said 1 o'clock p.m. Sunday to 12 hours to Monday, which should lead us to Monday, and then 12 a.m. We have to add that last hour, and that lead us to
I'll lead us to what?
1 a.m. in the morning,
1 a.m. on which day?
Monday.
Monday. Anyone else want to explain it? Who understand it? Let me know if you want to explain it.
I do.
Go ahead.
It says Sean's father left on a fishing trip at 1 p.m. on Saturday. The trip lasted for 1 day and a half. The question says, on which day did Sean's dad return? Saturday at 1 p.m. till to Sunday, that's 1 day, which is still not 1 day and a half. So
Very good.
from Sunday to 1 p.m., we add 11 hours, which leads us to Monday at 12 a.m. And then we add the last hour. And then, which leads us to Monday at 1 a.m.
Very good. Very good. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp, and then we can go ahead and give y'all one on your own to do. Okay. Or you can do another example. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I can't send it because my mom has a phone with tape.
Yeah, you said it the first time. Wyatt, where's your work?
I can't send it because my dad went out just now.
Okay.
I sending it right now.
Okay. Larenda, please take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. You finished write this down, Roscoe?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Armani, have you finished written this down?
No, sir.
What part are you on?
Sean's dad returned at 1 a.m.
You mean right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You need to write quickly, Armani. We don't have all day. Same thing with the rest of you all. We do not have all day here, so you all write quickly.
I sent my work in.
All right, thank you. Well, send their work besides Najara.
I did.
Okay,
I
good.
sent in my work.
Okay, good. Let's go ahead and let's do another question. Okay, let's do another question.
I sent in my work.
Good. So this one is gonna be for a super great exercise. So you're gonna do this one on your own. This is gonna be exercise number 1. And then you are going to, then we're gonna move on to another one. So let's say that Rashad's father left on a fishing trip at 1 a.m. on 1 p.m. on Tuesday. The trip lasted for 1 day and a half. On which day did Rashad's dad return home? At what time did Rashad's dad return home? Number 1. Number 2. So I set that time out. Number 2. Ryan's father left on a fishing trip at 1 a.m. on Thursday. Over there, Ryan's dad returned home. And finally, number 3, Jeremiah's father.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. My dog got out. Can I go and put it back, please?
Quickly. Don't take too long. On a Monday, a day and a half. 3 p.m. on a Monday. What Jeremiah's dad. Jeremiah's dad return home. All right, Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on number 1.
A or B, or you just writing it down first?
I'm on B.
Number 1B, okay. Please write the question down and answer it at the same time. Do not write all the questions down and then answer them. Write the question down and then answer it at the same time. That's what I need you to do. Joelle and Gianna, what number y'all on?
1.
Say it again. Say it again.
Both of us on number 1.
Okay.
I'm back, Mr. Petit.
And Seth, what number you on?
A.
Number what?
Yes, sir.
What number you on? What number you on?
Number 1A.
Number 1A, okay. And Armani, what number you on?
Number 1B.
Number 1B. Najara, what number you on?
I'm on number 1A. I'm answering it.
Number 1A answering it. That's good. And Corrigan,
A.
pronounce your name for me, please.
Kerrigan.
Kerrigan.
So
Okay, Kerrigan. What number you on?
1A.
1A, okay. Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
What's your last name, Kerrigan?
McCoy.
McCoy, okay. And Armani, where's Armani?
Yes, sir.
Armani, what's your last name is?
Farrington.
Arendon. And what number you on?
Number 2B.
You finished with number 1?
Yes, sir.
You understand what to do for number 1?
I finished. I was just answering it. I just finished.
Did you understand what to do for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lorenda? There's Lorenda.
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
I'm on 1A, about to go on 1B.
And you understand what to do for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where's Xavier? Not Xavier, I'm sorry. Where's Kylie? Kylie, can you hear me? Kylie, can you hear me? Where's Kylie? Where's Kylie? Can't hear from Kylie. Gianna and Joel, what number you all on?
I'm on number 2.
Number 2.
Get up.
Seth, do you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Did you do number 1 yet?
I was about to play for number 1A.
You're about to finish number 1A, okay. Armani, what number you on? Seth,
Huh?
can't be doing that. You can't be putting the thing on your face. That doesn't make sense. Don't do that. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
1B.
Number what?
1B.
Gianna, look at your own paper, please. You don't need to look at yours work. Um, um, Amari,
Yes, sir.
what number you on now?
Number 3A.
Number 3A. Did you finish number 2 and number 1?
Yes, sir.
You write them down and you show it all working. How you got it? Did you write it down and show all working, Amari?
Yes, sir.
Do me a favor. Take a picture of your work and send it to me. Let me see what you have on that paper. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Use someone's phone, whoever phone you could use. My number is 426-8891. Take a picture of your work and send it to me. Let me see what you're writing. Where's Kylie? Where's Kylie? can't hear from Kylie. Trinity, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3. You said number 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Corrigan, what your last name is? Again?
McCoy.
McCoy?
So
Okay, I'll use McCoy. Armani, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Have you done that?
My mommy here.
What's your mother's number?
4237581.
I don't understand what you mean your mommy is not there. She just sent me the work just a while ago. Let me call her mommy. Apparently, I don't understand this. Seth, do you understand what you're doing?
Mr. Petit, you're breaking up.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Hello, good night. Hello, good afternoon. Where is Armani?
Yes, sir.
What happened to your phone? Why did your phone? You say your phone died?
I did get the charger.
So take a picture of the work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Do you know how to add numbers on WhatsApp?
No, sir.
All right. Who is home with you? Tell them to add this number 426-8891. I don't know why it's so hard to send this picture. The number is 426-8891. Add the number 426-8891 and send the picture. Where's Roscoe? Roscoe, what number you on?
3B.
Number 3B, okay. And Lorenda, what number you on? Lorenda, what number you on? Legacy, what number you on?
I'm on number 2, answering it.
2A or B?
A.
Okay. Legacy, you can't be working that slow. You have to work fast to end the exam. You're not gonna have an eternity to do this. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on number 3A.
Number 3A. Okay, good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
I'm done.
Go ahead, Trinity.
I finished.
Good. Who else is finished besides Trinity and Roscoe? Who else is finished? Roscoe and Trinity, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Roscoe, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. McCoy, where's McCoy?
Yeah.
I've been asking for the work and you haven't sent it to me via WhatsApp. What's happening?
Right.
Pardon?
I send work.
You sent the first one?
Yes, sir.
What's the number? Let me see.
470. Give him the number.
Number.
My phone number that you use. He's asking you what's my phone number that you use to send the message.
No, my mic on right.
McCoy, she's asking you for the number. Why don't you just give me the number? What happened to you?
Asking you.
I don't know a number.
You don't know my number?
Tell me the number that you're using.
4705994.
You have to say it slower.
4705994.
599. Okay. Okay, I have that. That's Joel's number. Same number that Joel uses. Okay. All right, Roscoe. Okay, so Roscoe, you have to do the working.
I
Roscoe,
did it on the next paper.
no, you have to show it. 1 second. You have to show the working on the paper. Just like how I did it in the question. You can't just say you did it in the next paper. You have to show the working. Or take a picture of that, of the one that where you did the working and show it to me. I hope that's nice and neat. Gianna and Joel, why don't you all focus on your work instead of drinking stuff? You always have time to drink.
Excuse me, Miss Ruthie.
Yes, go ahead.
I didn't show the work and I didn't meant the math.
You have to show the working. Show the working. This is math. So Roscoe and Trinity, show the working. I understand how you could do math and not show the working. Seth, turn in the camera, please. Wyatt, what number you on?
2A.
2A.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I'm on number 3 now.
That's good. Najara,
Yes, sir.
you need to take a picture of your, what number you want?
I'm on number 3.
Please show working, show all working. You can't be doing math and not showing the working. That's not how it works. You must show working.
I had to learn that the hard way. One time I did that, my mom made me redo the whole thing.
Yeah. Seth, what number you on?
2B.
2B, okay. Armani, you still haven't sent in the work. Still haven't sent in the work. I need you to send in the work, Armani. Hello, Armani. You still haven't sent in the work.
I still writing.
Take a picture of what you have and send it to me, and let me see what you have so far.
Okay.
It's not okay. It's either yes or no, sir, Armani. Do you hear me? Where's Armani? Armani, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I send it now.
Okay. Madeline, tomorrow you need to fix this camera issue. You can't be here and not showing your camera. I don't understand that.
I sent it.
All right, I see it. Wyatt, what number you on?
Going on number 3.
Going on number 3.
All right, Mr. Petit, I'm done.
All right, if you finish, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I'm gonna try to take a picture of the computer because I can't use the phone.
Seth, are you finished?
No, sir.
What number you on?
3A.
3A?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir, Mr. Petit.
go ahead.
I resend in the work right now.
Yes, you mean with the working?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
I'm done.
Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Here's Ritik, I done.
Good. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp so we could go over this.
I sent it from the computer, Mr. Petit.
Okay. All right. And Madeline, where's your work, Madeline? Where's math?
So basically,
Okay. Can you just answer it properly? I asked where's your work? What number you want? Answer it properly, please. Madeline, answer the question properly. What number you want?
I just finished.
So take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, Najara, are you done?
Yes, sir. I sent my work in already.
Okay. Let's go ahead and answer these questions right now.
Mr. Petit, I have to check something over.
Mm-hmm. Seth, what number you want now?
238.
3-8. You can't be taking so long on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and answer these questions. Okay, so I'm gonna start with number 1. So let's put this on this side. Okay, so for number 1A,
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
yes.
Is 12 always going to be a half?
Yes, 12 is always gonna be half of 24. All right, so for number 1A, what you all have for on which day did Rashad return home?
Friday.
He returned.
Okay, put your answer for number 1A inside the chat for me, please. Put your answer for number 1A inside the chat. On which day did Rashad return home? What y'all have for number 1? Everyone need the answer inside the chat, please. What y'all have for number 1? Not only Trinity, everyone need the answer. So Trinity says, Najara says Thursday, Madeline says Thursday, McCoy says Friday. Why are we getting different answers? So it seems like Joel and Gianna, please put your answer inside the chat. Armani, put your answer inside the chat, please. I already said that like 3 decades ago. Armani, Gianna, and Joel, put your answer inside the chat. Okay.
I put my answer in the chat.
So what is it? What is it? Is it Thursday? Is it Friday? Is it Saturday? What is it? What's the answer?
Thursday.
I think it's Thursday.
Friday.
I think it's
Friday.
Saturday.
It's
think it's-
Thursday.
Okay. All right. Let me know if you think it's Thursday. Who all think it's
Oh,
Thursday?
I made a mistake. I missed Wednesday.
It's Thursday.
I think it's Friday. I think it's Friday.
Think it's Friday. Where's Roscoe? Roscoe, did you answer inside the chat?
Yes, sir.
What do you have? What you have?
Thursday.
Thursday. And all right, Legacy think it's Friday. Okay, so how many hours is in one day?
24 hours.
24 hours.
All right, so we start on Tuesday, right? Tuesday at what time? Tuesday at
1 p.m.
1 p.m.
Tuesday, 1 p.m.
Tuesday at 1 p.m., right? Seth, pay attention. Pay attention, Seth. Pay attention. We start on, I said, pay attention. What part don't you understand? Seth?
Yes, sir.
Pay attention. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
So it says Tuesday at 1 p.m., right? So the next day would be what?
Wednesday,
Wednesday at what?
1 p.m.
Wednesday
1
at
p.m.
1 p.m. That's what, 24?
24 hours.
24 hours, okay? So this 24 hours right there, that's 1 day, 24 hours. But it says a day and a half, a day and a half. So that means that we have to add how many more hours? 12, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
we add 11 more hours to 1 p.m., we would be at exactly what? Thursday
at 12,
Thursday at what?
12 a.m.
12
a.m.
a.m.
Yeah, we'll be at Thursday at 12 a.m. All right. Thursday at 12 a.m. And if we add one more hour,
It's Friday.
Friday at 1
no, if we add one more hour, this is Thursday. We still on Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
Still on Thursday. Thursday at what time?
No, that's right.
Thursday at what time?
1 o'clock.
1 a.m. 1 a.m. You can't just say 1 o'clock. You have to say 1 a.m. You understand me, Roscoe? So it's gonna be what? Thursday at what time?
1 a.m.
1 a.m. 1 a.m. So what does that mean? That means that I mean, on which day did Rashad return home? He returned home on what? On which day? On which day?
Thursday.
Thursday. And what time?
1 a.m.
1 a.m. 1 a.m. How many persons got that? Let me know if you got that, please. How many persons got that?
I did.
Got that. Me.
Very good.
I did.
Very good. Thursday at 1 a.m. Anyone got that wrong? Who got that wrong?
I said Thursday.
I got that wrong.
Madeline, you're not responding to me, and I'm asking the question inside that I'm asking the question. So you have to respond, Madeline. I asked who got number 1 right.
Yeah, I did get number 1 right.
Yeah, but you didn't tell me that. I asked that a long time ago. You never said anything. So let me try it again. Did you get number 1 right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So number 1 is Thursday at 1 a.m. Do y'all understand how we got it? Hello,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
speaking to y'all. Do y'all understand how we got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So it's Thursday at 1 a.m. Next.
Yeah.
Let me clear our drawings. So let's do number 2. Write your answer for number 2, please. Write your answer for number 2.
Can you type it in the chat?
Type inside the chat. Type it inside the chat.
Both?
Type it inside the chat. Number 2. On what day did Ryan return home? Ryan's dad return home. Everyone needs to answer. On what day did Ryan's dad return home? On what day did Ryan's dad return home? Seth, did you answer inside the chat?
Yes, sir.
On
Excuse
which
me,
day did Ryan's dad return home? Yes.
I put the wrong day in the chat.
So you have to put the right answer, Trinity. Quickly put the right answer. On which day did Ryan's dad return home? Gianna and Joel, have you all answered yet? So the answer for this one is going to be Thursday. And Thursday at, oh wow, it's time. Thursday at 1 a.m. Okay, 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. Okay, Thursday at 1 a.m. Thursday at 1 a.m. Okay, good. So, all right. Okay, so let's go ahead and answer this. We have what? We have, his dad left on which day? Thursday at what time? Thursday at what time? Hello, you need to answer. Thursday at what time?
1 a.m.
Not 1 a.m.
1 p.m.
1 p.m. 1 p.m. And so from Thursday, 1 p.m., to Friday, 1 p.m., how much is that? That's gonna be what?
24 hours.
24 hours.
Very good. That's a whole day. That's 24 hours, right? 24 hours. Good. And then from Friday, but it says a day and a half. So that means we're going to add 12 hours, right? But first we're going to add 11 hours. And if we do 11 hours, that brings us to what? That brings us to Saturday or what time?
1.
Saturday midnight, right? Saturday at
Yeah.
12 what? a.m.
AM.
But we're not done because we have to add one more hour. And that's going to be what? Saturday at what time?
1
Saturday at
1 a.m.
1 a.m. Very good. Saturday at 1 a.m. And so what time and what day did he reach? Did he reach home? Did he arrive home?
Saturday at 1 a.m.
Very good. Saturday at 1 a.m. Did anyone get that right? Saturday at 1 a.m. Did anyone get that right?
I got that right.
Yeah.
Did anyone else get that right?
I
I'm,
do.
I'm
Wait.
speaking to Madeline and Madeline is not answering. Did you get it right, Madeline?
No, sir.
Okay, so
I
please-
accidentally skipped a
So
day.
please make the correction. Please make the correction.
I
Saturday
got it
at
right.
very good. Saturday at 1 a.m. If you got it wrong, please make the correction. Amari, did you get any right? Amari, did you get any right? Where's Amari? Armani, did you get any right? Kerrigan, did you get any right?
Yes, sir.
Which one? The first one, number 1 or number 2?
I finished.
I said, which one you got right? Did you get number 1 right or number 2 right?
No, I'm not disappointed. I'm just saying.
One.
Every time you do things on your own, it's like
1, okay. All right, so, all right. Next we have, Jeremiah left fishing on a trip once. Monday at, what y'all have for number 3, by the way?
For number 3, I got Wednesday.
Wednesday?
I got Wednesday for number 3.
What time? Wednesday, what time?
1 p.m.
What time on
At
Wednesday?
3 a.m.
Wednesday at 3 a.m.?
That's what I got.
Did you got? Anyone else?
Wednesday, I got that Wednesday at 4 a.m.
Wednesday at 4 a.m.? Okay.
Yeah,
I
Friday.
got,
8 a.m.
I got
All right, so from Monday 3 p.m. to Tuesday 3 p.m., how many hours is that?
I have Wednesday 3 a.m.
That's gonna be what? 24 hours, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 24 hours. 24 hours. All right, and then so we need to do a day and a half. So it's gonna be 11 hours, right? 11 hours. 11 hours. And 11 hours is gonna be what? Wednesday, right? Wednesday at what time? Wednesday at what time? Wednesday at 12 a.m. midnight, right?
12 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Good. And then we have, it's gonna be, we have to add, oh, no, it's not right. If we add 11 hours to 3 p.m., it's gonna be 4, 5,
I got 1 a.m.
I got 3 a.m.
3 to 4. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13. That's gonna be 1 a.m. It's gonna be 1 a.m. If we add 11 hours, it's gonna be 1 a.m. But then how many more hours we have to add again? We have to add 1 more hour. So it's gonna be 1 hour. So it's gonna be what? Wednesday at 2 a.m. Wednesday at 2 a.m. Because Monday to Tuesday is 3. That's 24 hours. 3 to 4. That's 1. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Actually, yeah, it's actually 2 a.m. Not, it says gonna be 2 a.m. Because we add 11, it's gonna be 2 a.m. And then we add 1 more, so it's 3 a.m. So it's Wednesday at 3 a.m. Anyone got Wednesday at 3 a.m.?
I did.
Wednesday at 3 a.m. Yeah, Wednesday at 3 a.m.
I did.
I did.
Wednesday at 3 a.m. That's correct.
I
Anyone
didn't
else
get the date right, but I got the time.
got the time right?
I didn't get the time right.
Yeah, Wednesday at 3 a.m. Okay, so take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I did.
I already did.
All right.
Excuse me, Miss Petite.
Go ahead.
Like when we was just going over how he was erasing, I was erasing too, but I still put the correct answer on the side, even though I had it first.
Oh, okay, yes, that's good. That's good. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Checking over, I just realized I made a mistake. That's what I said. I had to check over.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, then have a wonderful evening, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, Mr. Petite.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for teaching our class.